Woo! Today you are in for a simple, powerful treat. I am about to give you my formula for success in anything in life. Anything in life. Oh my gosh, you ready? Mind plus mouth equals momentum. I'm going to say it again. Mind plus mouth equals momentum. Welcome to the Agile Leader with me, Pia Fitzgerald, where we provide tools for building confidence, connection, and collaboration. Yes, so here we go. Mind plus mouth equals momentum. Let me tell you something about that. Your words matter. Your words are like seeds, and whatever you plant grows. Mind plus mouth equals momentum. If you say I am tired, you will continue to be tired. No one ever I'm tired my way to energy. Let me say that again. No one ever has I'm tired my way to energy. In fact, they felt more depleted. So see how this formula works? It's not just about putting positive words. So whatever thought you have, if it's a negative thought that leads to a negative comment out your mouth, it's going to slow your momentum or stall. It will slow it down or cause you to go backwards. Conversely, if you're entertaining thoughts that are desirable to you, now you can't control your thoughts. Side note, let me talk about that for a second. Can't control your thoughts. Can't control your thoughts because let me ask you, can you predict what you're about to think about in an hour? No, you can't. So we know that. So, but once they come, it's what you do with them that matters. What you do with it's what you do with the thought that matters. So only entertain thoughts that will lead you to your desirable incomes because your mind plus your mouth equals momentum. Watch what you speak. Your subconscious mind takes you at your word and creates conditions to maintain homeostasis, to create or maintain what you speak. Now take a look at these next three little examples. Here's some ways that you can begin to change how you speak. Instead of saying, I am broke, making it about your identity, instead try, it's not in the budget. Or instead of saying, I am sorry, because it's good to apologize, just apologize. Don't call yourself sorry. Or I am tired, how about I am going to rest? That's even though you add the I am, but this is more positive. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Is the mathing for you as you think about mind plus mouth equals momentum? All right. Say it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Mind plus mouth equals momentum. I don't have a joke for you, so you can just go ahead and laugh and have a winning week. Bye-bye.